Hi everyone, welcome to Ashton Gray Investments. In this video, we are going to talk about our new investment opportunity, which is Landing Meadows in New Caney, Houston. This unique opportunity is giving a chance to Indian retail investors who would want to participate in a residential development in New Caney with a minimum ticket size of 10 lakh rupees. The entire project is 115 acres divided into two phases. The current opportunity is phase 2 of the project Landing Meadows in New Caney, Houston. Phase 1 of the project is already nearing completion and has been delivered to two prominent builders, which is First America Homes and K. Hovnanian Homes. With the kind of limited availability of raw land, the connectivity of the project, and extensive development, commercial development happening in New Caney, this makes for a unique investment opportunity. The numbers that we are looking at for the current investment opportunity are basically we are looking at 18% annualized returns for the current investment opportunity, which is divided into two parts. 10% annualized yield is what is passed on to the investors as a fixed monthly or quarterly payout, depending on what you choose. Remaining 8% is what is paid out to the investors at the time of exit along with the capital. So we're developing 230 lots on a 50-acre land development, which is already pre-sold to Meritage Homes. Meritage Homes is one of the most prominent real estate developers in US. It is a New York Stock Exchange listed developer. So the timelines that we are looking at for the current project is 18 months, which is a fixed exit for Indian investors. As far as location is concerned, we are talking about a prime location, which is 15 miles away from Bush Intercontinental Airport, about 20-25 minutes away from downtown Houston. We are looking at a location which is seeing a lot of commercial and residential development put together. If we talk about Landing Meadows, the entire project, it is divided into phase 1 and phase 2. The entire project is 115 acres, wherein we are developing about 570 lots. Phase 1 is already nearing completion and 340 lots have been delivered to First America and K. Hovnanian Homes. Their listings are already live on their website. They are selling it at a pre-construction pricing right now. The current opportunity is basically phase 2 of the same project, wherein we are developing a 50-acre residential development and developing about 230 finished lots, which is already like pre-sold to Meritage Homes. We have a pre-executed contract with Meritage Homes. So again, we are trying to bring in an opportunity which minimizes your risk in terms of a fixed exit, in terms of a targeted IRR that we are looking at, which is around 18%. These are the pictures of Landing Meadows. As you can see, the model homes are already constructed by First America Homes and K. Hovnanian Homes for different configurations that they're selling out in the market. About Meritage Homes, it is one of the most prominent real estate developers in US. It is a New York Stock Exchange listed developer, develops about 6,000 homes annually. One of the very few real estate developers in US which is famous, or which is known for its energy efficient homes. It is present in more than 25 micro markets in US, and one of the bigger real estate players operating in that particular market. About Texas in specific, we are looking at a lot of international buyers, a lot of international interest across different geographies. For Texas in specific, about 16% of the buyers are coming from regions like Asia, about 27% of the buyers are coming from regions like Europe, and it is one of the most popular destinations among the international buyers as far as purchasing real estate is concerned. It is the third most popular destination in US. As far as international buyers are concerned, the international purchases in Texas has gone up by 8.5% in financial year 21, which is again a positive sign for the market. Also, the median purchase price of an international purchase has risen by 16 to 18% in last financial year. So this is about the micro market Texas. Also, Texas is one of the tax-free states in US. That is the reason why a lot of commercial development is happening in and around Texas. A lot of companies are, shifting their official commercial offices to places like Austin and Houston because they are saving up on a lot of taxes. And that is the reason why there is a migration of skilled labor from states like New York and California to states like Texas, which is again a positive sign as far as increased demand in the market is concerned. Also, we are looking at a very low supply, which is about 1.5, 2 months only in Texas market. This is the ownership structure that we generally follow for all the investments that we do. We create an Indian LLP for every project that we raise funds for. All the Indian investors invest into the Indian LLP, and that Indian LLP, after raising entire funds, invests into the US SPV, which is developing the project. US SPV passes on the returns to the Indian LLP, and then Indian LLP pays to its partner. So it's a very simple and tax-friendly structure which we have been advised on by our legal advisor, which is Fox Mandel, one of the oldest legal houses in India, specializing in overseas direct investments. About the general information with respect to who can invest, anybody who is who has investable funds in Indian national rupees is eligible to invest. You can invest as a NRI, LLP, private limited, HUF, whatever is convenient and tax friendly option for you. You can choose to invest. The minimum ticket size for all the projects we are looking at is 10 lakhs, and investments is through SPV structure by creating an Indian LLP, and that Indian LLP investing in the US SPV. How it works generally, we do the asset listing. After the asset listing, we move on to the KYC verification of the investor. As soon as KYC is verified, we share an expression of interest form with our investors so that they can get the LLP details of which they are going to become a partner of. As soon as they complete the payment, the payout starts. This is one of the key advantages of investing with us. The day you the day you pass on the funds to the LLP account, your payouts start. After the payment is completed, the next step is you sign investor agreement, which is sent across to the registered email address of investor through DocuSign. And as soon as the asset gets fully funded, you officially become a partner in the Indian LLP, and that is when your official 18 months, the project timeline period begins. These are some of our projects that we are currently developing across different types of projects that we are doing. We are doing land and mixed use development, wherein we are developing large acreages of land and doing horizontal construction there. Like in this project as well, we are developing about 115 acres of land, wherein majorly we are doing horizontal construction and delivering it to another real estate developer who will then be doing the vertical construction. We're also doing vertical construction at a lot of places. You can see the projects that are mentioned in Austin, in Richmond, in Houston. We are doing projects across 4 cities majorly in Texas, which is Dallas, Austin, Houston, and San Antonio. We also specialize in building luxury spec homes. So that is also one of the key competencies that we have. These are some of the project images that we have already developed and delivered. These are the actual images of some luxury spec homes that we delivered. You can see some of the retail plazas being developed, which had been pre-leased to nationalized tenants. So that's more or less about the investment opportunity that we have live right now. In case you wish to know more, please visit our website www.ashtongray.in, or you can reach out on the mentioned phone number or email address. Thank you so much. Thank you again for your time.